We have also this tool. Then first, reassemble the cup, ring, and the nipple. If they have milk residue, so put hot water or pre-boiled water, dissolve it, shake in a rotational motion, palm to palm or whirling. So this is the swirling rotational motion, then palm to palm or whirling. Then after dissolve, throw in the sink. Then next, first cleaning the material, put in the secondary sink. Then put also this brush and the sponge, followed by the feeding bottle rack, then sterilizer. Okay. Next, put a little ample amount of anti-liquid baby soap. Then put inside, inward, outward, in the rotational motion. Then in the outside, use the sponge. Then put in the rinsing. Then next, the cup, ring. Then use the small brush. Then nipple. First, put a little water, push. Do not roll it back to avoid tearing. This is the first rationale. Then put the little water again. Then brush it inside. Then brush outside. Use the sponge. Then next, sterilize it po. Then clean po. After you wash it, then follow by the feeding bottle wrap. Then dito naman. So put the clean cloth on the basin. Rinse the big article. The lid, the sterilizer. Then, after cleaning all the material, get the water from the sink, 1.5 full of water. Then turn on the flame, stove. So after waiting, wait for the 100 boiling point. So 100 boiling point Fahrenheit, because not all microorganisms are dying, so you need to wait to ensure that the microorganism will be eradicated. Okay? Then after they reach the 100 boiling point of Fahrenheit, open the lid, away from you to avoid scalding, upside down to avoid contamination. Now first I'm going to put the big article such as a feeding bottle, then close it, wait for 15 to 30 minutes. If they reach the 50 minutes, again open the lid, away from you to avoid scalding, upside down to avoid contamination. Put the styrofoam, cup, ring, and nipple. Then, again, put the wait for 15 to 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes will be damage the articles. So again, turn off the faucet, turn off the flame. Then again, while waiting for the cool down, prepare one basin with clean towel. After cool down, again, open the lid away from you to avoid scalding, to avoid upside down, to avoid contamination. Then get first the styrofoam. So, let's first get the small articles such as nipple, ring, and cup. Last one is the feeding bottle. So, pa-slide siya. Why? Para maba yung kanyang moist at saka yung water. Okay? Then, again, close the sterile. So, remove na natin siya. Lagyan natin dyan. Then, first, assemble naman tayo. So, pwede siyang hawakan. Do not touch the nipple to avoid contamination. Nipple lang ang kailangan, hindi yung mahawakan doon, di assemble. So, put in the feeding bottle wrap. So, yung una, dapat ito muna mauna. So, if not feed to the sterilizer, so sterile, separate. Ito muna mauna kasi ilalagay niya yun. Okay? So, tapos na tayo dito.
Sir, yung wrap,